Today we are going from Bangkok, Thailand to Chiang Mai via train. This does look like an airport. It's huge. I'll leave the name of the train station here. It's very sparse, loads of space, and then there's like shops scarcely around, but there's no bars, no pubs, no alcohol. So it's going to be probably a boring train ride there. Keep you posted on how it goes. I did forget to mention that we are doing the second class sleeper with AC. We're not staying in first class because we wanted to see what it's like in that, because I've done in first class before for something very similar. So we'll see how this place goes. Oh, and the train departs at 16:40 and arrives at 7:15 a.m. in the morning if everything goes to plan, which it's most likely not. But still, 13 hours on the train, get some good night's sleep, and then watch a movie or two just before bed. Should be uneventful, I would say. Eight. Alright, give us second class.
This one? Yeah, two.
Ah, sweet. Which one do you want? Power supply. Oh, haha. All the time power supply. Number one doesn't have a power supply.
Do you think there's a window like on the upper?
You guys see nothing.
The bar we have.
Sandwich เป็นกาแฟใหญ่
โลเท่าไหร่ฮะ
Tomorrow about 6 o'clock wake up morning เดี๋ยวย้ายของก่อนดีไหม
Ja ci wytłumaczę wszystko, dobra? Teraz mój ulubiony odcinek. Ja najbardziej lubię te zapinania.
ตะแคงไม่ได้เดี๋ยวผมช่วยตักไว้ดีกว่า
No to jest czyś ja. Go lubię.
เอาไปนอนยังไงช่วยเดี๋ยวไว้ฝาก
Why'd you do that?
แล้วคุณนอนยังไงฮะไม่ผมนอนอยู่นี่
เราตัวใหญ่
เอาไปได้ข้างๆไปข้างๆแล้วก็ได้ผมกำลัง
Bathroom check. Okay, so sink. Have toilets. Have a bunk. Toilet paper. Can keep the area clean. That's about it. Looking at some groceries. Not to sit down for a while. Throw my stuff onto your bed. I just throw my stuff onto your bed.
Jest przygoda, co? No. Tam jest jakiś kot.
Okay.
So this is it now with the bed set up. Be quiet because people are asleep. And this is nice and comfortable. The lower bed is so much easier to get in and out. And you also get the window, some blinds off, some plugs up there. And then on. So you have the table, so we can use the table, watch your laptop, watch a movie or two. And then the lights will dim down later on, so it'll be dark and you'll be able to fall asleep easier. And if you need to get up on the toilet and stuff, because I'm old, it's so much easier to get down off the bunk bed. So put on the bunk, second class. I'm a bit warm now because I've been walking around and moving around a lot. But I'm loving this so far. And we're only 2 hours in. Watch a movie, 8 o'clock. Bed by 10, 11 o'clock. Wake up 5 o'clock for sunrise. Just get to see the views going into Chiang Mai. Sneak peek and see what first class is like. Oh no, that's the second class. Not now, I'm just going for a smoke. Want to get a quick smoke in? And a quick video of the actual Chiang Mai rail station. Very small little thing.